a wonderful and a pleasant day to one and all. I feel elated to be invited as your speaker in today's unveiling of the new campus of NQCI. Since NQCI is unveiling another campus, a campus that will be considered as a hope of bacon and a cradle of innovation. So a big round of applause to the management and staff of NQCI for having this wonderful occasion. If I may recall it right, I went to your beloved institution sometime in 2023, where they also had a program, particularly on the blessing of that laboratory, right? And I already considered this an epitome for the academy because they keep on establishing and they keep on building their infrastructures in order that they will produce quality graduates. And I salute the management for doing such because they are responding to the call of the Commission on Higher Education, that is quality education. NQCI is known not only in Region 4 but all throughout the country for producing graduates who are not only passing the board examinations but also landed a job in the prestigious industries. Is not only at par within Calabarzon areas but all throughout the country. So saludo ako sa management together with the Board of Trustees, for they are after the quality education that the Commission on Higher Education is trying to work for it. So with this, with the unveiling of the new campus, keep on producing graduates. I hope and fervently pray that when this campus is being established, you will not only double the number of students but to triple it in order to serve the province of Quezon. I am also hopeful that our coming together will be a productive one. Muli, magandang umaga sa atin lahat at mabuhay tayong lahat.